Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of electric fireplaces, a modern energy-efficient alternative to traditional fireplaces. Electric fireplaces offer the ambiance of a real fire without the need for wood or gas. With stunning flame effects and adjustable temperatures, they create a consistent and cozy atmosphere. The sleek contemporary designs make them a versatile addition to any home, blending seamlessly with modern decor. So, how do electric fireplaces work? They use electricity to power heating elements that generate heat and produce realistic flame effects through LED lights. You can adjust the flame intensity, and many models include a built-in thermostat to regulate heat output, making them both efficient and convenient. What are the benefits of using an electric fireplace? First, energy efficiency. They consume significantly less power than traditional fireplaces, leading to cost savings on your utility bills. They're also incredibly easy to operate with just the touch of a button. Safety is a top priority with features like automatic shutoff, child locks, and cool-to-touch surfaces. There are different types of electric fireplaces to fit your needs. Wall-mounted models are great for saving space and adding elegance to any room. Freestanding fireplaces offer flexibility and portability, so you can move them from room to room. Electric fireplace inserts are perfect for converting traditional fireplaces into modern electric ones. Installation is a breeze. Just plug it in, turn on the power switch, and use the remote control to adjust the settings. No need for a chimney or complex venting systems. When using an electric fireplace, keep flammable items away. Don't leave it unattended, and regularly clean and maintain it for optimal performance. Whether you want to enhance your home's ambiance, save on energy costs, or enjoy a safer, more convenient heating solution, electric fireplaces are the way to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.